Welcome to Daikin web-based training. There are generally three ways to conduct field setting for a VRV system, using the dip switches on the outdoor unit PCB, the push-button switches, and the remote controller connected to the indoor unit. In this course, we will learn about field setting on the wired remote controller connected to the indoor unit. We will be learning the following in this course. 1. Overview. 2. Terminology. 3. Field setting procedure. 4. An explanation of the setting items. 5. Setting of group numbers used for centralized control. When conducting field setting on the remote controller connected to an indoor unit, the indoor unit functions can individually be changed. Be sure to set properly, because incorrect setting can cause malfunctions. The field setting must be changed in some cases when an optional device is connected to the indoor unit. Let's learn about the terms you need to know for this course. First, there are three essential terms to understand: group, unit, and centralized control group number. A group means a group of indoor units connected to one or two remote controllers. A unit refers to each indoor unit in a group. A centralized control group number is a number necessary for centralized control and uniquely assigned to each group or indoor unit. The next three terms you need to know are the mode number, first code number, and second code number. The mode number refers to the field setting number. It is the first number assigned to represent the same type of setting items. The first code number refers to the setting item number. It is a number given to each setting item. The second code number refers to the setting position number. It is a number assigned to the specific condition and value of each setting item. Let's now look at the names of the remote controller components. This is the test button used to enter the field setting mode on the remote controller. Pressing this button for at least 4 seconds allows you to enter the field setting mode. This setting display indicates that the remote controller is in the field setting mode. This is the mode number, and these temperature control buttons are used to change it. The mode numbers in the 20s allow for the field setting of each unit. The unit number is displayed like this. It can be changed using the timer mode start/stop button. The first code is displayed here, and it is changed with the upper time programming button. The second code is displayed here, and it is changed with the lower time programming button. This timer reserve cancel button is used to confirm the field setting after it has been done. To return to the normal mode, press the test button. Let's learn about the field setting procedure using this example. As shown in the diagram, when the filters on the 6 indoor units are all changed to ultra-long life filters, the setting for these indoor units must be changed accordingly. Note that Group 1 and Group 2 must individually be changed to the same setting using the respective remote controllers. In this example, since all the indoor units in the group are to be set the same way, field setting mode number 10, the number used when changing all the units in a group at once, should be selected. Set the first code to 1, which indicates that a long life type filter is being used. Change the second code from the factory setting of 01 for the long life filter to 02 for the ultra long life filter. Let's learn about this procedure in detail on the following pages. Now, let's learn how to enter the field setting mode. The normal mode can be switched to the field setting mode by pressing the test button for at least 4 seconds. When the remote controller is in the field setting mode, the word setting will be shown below the mode number on the LCD. Note that for this setting, it is necessary to use the main remote controller. Sub-remote controllers cannot enter the field setting mode. After entering the field setting mode, select mode number 10. Then press the first code change button to set it to 1 for the long life filter. Next, set the second code to 02 using the second code change button. Finally, press the confirmation button to confirm the changed setting. When the setting has been completed, press the test button once to return to the normal mode. The next example is when the field setting is individually done for each unit. As shown in the diagram, when the filter for the indoor unit, denoted by the red circle, is changed to an ultra-long life filter, the setting for this unit must be changed accordingly. In this case, since the setting is to be done for only one unit, instead of all the units in the group, mode number 20, the number in the parentheses used when changing an individual unit in a group, should be selected. Similarly to the previous example, set the first code to 1 and the second code to 02. Let's now learn about this procedure in detail. First, press the test button for at least 4 seconds to enter the field setting mode. Next, press the mode number change button to set it to 20. When the mode number is set to 20, the unit number will appear on the top left of the LCD. Change the unit number to 1 using the unit number change button. Press the first code change button to set it to 1. And then press the second code change button to set it to 02. Press the field setting confirmation button in order to confirm the changed setting. Press the test button to return to the normal mode. Let's take a look at another example to deepen your understanding. When an optional air outlet seal kit is attached to a round flow type indoor unit in order to change the air distribution from round flow to three-way flow, the setting for this unit must be changed accordingly. In this case, since the setting is to be done for only one unit, mode number 23, the number in the parentheses used when changing an individual unit in a group, should be selected. After that, set the first code to 1 and the second code to 02. Let's now learn about this procedure in detail. First, press the test button for at least 4 seconds to enter the field setting mode. Next, press the mode number change button to set it to 23. Then, set the unit number to 2 using the unit number change button. After that, set the first code to 1 and the second code to 02. Press the field setting confirmation button to confirm the changed setting. Then, press the test button to return to the normal mode. The changed field setting can be confirmed if the mode number is set to a number in the 20s, in the parentheses. However, it cannot be confirmed if the mode number is set to a number in the 10s, because it always shows the default value. Now, let's take a look at the procedure for confirming the changed setting. First, press the test button for at least 4 seconds to enter the field setting mode. Press the mode number change button to set it to 23. Next, press the unit number change button to set it to 2. Press the first code change button to set it to 1. If the second code is shown as 02, it has been set properly. This is an example of incorrect confirmation of the changed setting. Set the mode number to 13. Set the first code to 1. Despite the fact that the second code had previously been set to 02, the default value of 01 is displayed on the remote controller. As a result, the changed setting cannot be confirmed. Therefore, be sure to use a mode number in the 20s in order to confirm the changed setting. When the changed setting has been confirmed, press the test button once to return to the normal mode. Let's now learn about the other field setting items. Let's start with mode number 12.1, the on-off input from outside. The default setting of 12.1.01 allows for operation from the remote controller when the indoor unit T1, T2 terminal is open. When there is a short circuit in this terminal, the indoor unit will stop operating and cannot be restarted from the remote controller. 12.1.02 allows for indoor unit operation when there is a short circuit in the indoor unit's T1, T2 terminal. If the circuit is open, the indoor unit stops operating. In the control like this, the last pressed command takes precedence, so the indoor unit can be started or stopped from the remote controller. If the field setting is set to 12.1.03, a forced off signal is sent from the control room in the event of an emergency, such as a disaster, resulting in the system shutting down abnormally. The indoor unit that has received a forced off signal shuts down abnormally, displaying the A0 malfunction code, and the remaining indoor units in the same system shut down abnormally, displaying the U9 malfunction code. Next, let's learn how to set group numbers for centralized control. When a centralized controller is connected in order to operate and monitor the indoor units from a remote location, a group number for centralized control must be set for each group. Now, let's learn how to set a group number using this example. Example: please set the group number used for centralized control of group 2 to 201. The field setting mode is used when setting the centralized control group number. First, press the test button for at least 4 seconds while in the normal mode to enter the field setting mode. If the properly set centralized controller is connected and turned on, the field setting number 00 will appear on the LCD. The word Group will be shown on the bottom left of the remote controller's LCD. The word Group will blink when the setting is being done for the first time, but it will light up if the setting has been done in the past. The group number for centralized control can only be changed when the word Group is blinking. If it is not blinking, press this field setting confirmation button to make it blink. Each time the first code change button is pressed, the code goes in ascending order from 101, 102, 103, and so on. Each time the second code change button is pressed, the code goes in descending order. The desired group number for centralized control is 201, so change it from 100 to 201 by pressing the first code change button to go in ascending order. Press the field setting confirmation button to confirm the change. When the change is confirmed, the word Group will stop blinking and light up. When the setting has been completed, press the test button once to return to the normal mode.